Okay, I am going to show you when you are logged in as in your parent account. So you can see at the top, it clearly says you're viewing as Jackson Kirkley. That's my son. And at the top, I can see courses, groups, and grades. If I wanted to know grades, I would click here, okay, and go to grade report. Now, for each individual course, if I click on the course, it's going to tell me what his grade is and any assignments that have been submitted. Okay, and I'm going to scroll down to the next course. Okay, these little paper icons mean that something has been submitted. If there's a dash, though, it means it hasn't been graded yet. Once it's been graded, it will appear here as the grade. Okay, so if I move on, again, paper icons mean something has been submitted. Dashes means it has not been graded yet. So you can easily see if work has been submitted and whether or not it's been graded. Comments from the teacher will appear there as well. Okay. One other, I'm going to show you from my student perspective, just to show you another option that you can see in terms of grades. Okay. What you can also see, which is important to know, is something that's been marked incomplete. Notice it has not been graded. So that may change. The teacher may put in a lower score because that's incomplete. It's being marked as incomplete to give the student a chance to finish it. This has been marked as missing. Missing means it's been recorded as a 0, which is clearly bringing down my grade. If it has been marked excused with this hexagon that's green, it is marked with the dash, meaning it's not been graded. Marking it as excused, again, means that it does not count against the student in terms of a grade. Okay, it's like it never existed for that student. Papers mean something was turned in. You can easily click. Notice these are all blue and clickable. It'll take you directly to the assignment. So if you can see that something's not been graded and there's no submission, you can go and see why your child may not have submitted that assignment, or why the grade may be low. Perhaps there's a comment in the assignment instead of in the grade that will direct you to explain why the grade is what it is. Okay, so it's very important to check. Again, it's easily accessible from the top, from the grades menu, either when you are viewing as a parent or when you are viewing as a student yourself. Okay, you will see the grades menu at the top.